Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best rolling file carts is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable organizational tools for any home office or workspace, offering a mobile and accessible solution for managing your important documents and supplies, ensuring that everything you need is always within reach and neatly stored, making it an essential addition for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and declutter their environment. Number 5. VASAGLE 2-drawer rolling file cabinet. This rolling file cabinet boasts a classic, minimalist aesthetic that complements any office or home setting. Its compact dimensions allow it to fit neatly under most desks, maximizing your available space. Featuring 2 spacious drawers, it offers generous storage for your daily filing needs. The adjustable rails inside accommodate both A4 and letter-size folders, keeping everything organized. Equipped with 5 360-degree swivel casters, moving this cabinet is a breeze. The front casters lock securely, and an additional 5th will enhance its stability, ensuring it stays put when you need it to. Crafted from premium steel and sturdy particle board, this cabinet is built to last. It can support significant weight, ensuring your documents and printer are held securely for years to come. With clearly labeled parts and straightforward instructions, assembly is quick and easy. You can start organizing your workspace in no time, enjoying a tidier environment immediately. What we like? This cabinet offers a sleek look that complements any office. If you need ample storage for your documents and appreciate the flexibility of lockable wheels for stability, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those who want a blend of aesthetics and functionality. What people say. The file cabinet is visually appealing and worth the price. Once assembled, our filer was very sturdy and the drawers closed properly. All the required parts were included. There was nothing missing. They included a few extras that were even labeled as extra. A nice touch. It rolls nicely and the wheels do lock. It seems to be pretty sturdy and everything fit right into place. Number 4. Vaultz Portable File Storage Box. Introducing the Vaultz Portable File Storage Box, your ultimate solution for keeping important documents safe and organized. It's designed to protect your valuable information with ease. This spacious box is ideal for storing tax returns, passports, medical records, and receipts. Its generous size ensures all your essential documents fit perfectly inside. Constructed with a sturdy frame and built-in rails for hanging files, this box is as durable as it is mobile. It also features sturdy wheels and convenient handles for easy transport. Designed for life on the go, this portable filing cabinet is perfectly sized for travel. Smooth gliding wheels and a telescoping handle make it effortless to take your files wherever you need them. This rolling file holder is incredibly versatile, making it perfect for shared offices, business travel, and busy households. It offers a secure storage solution for various environments. Enjoy peace of mind with its dual combination locking system, offering enhanced protection for your sensitive information. Simply set your unique 3-digit codes for keyless security. What we like? For ultimate peace of mind, this lockbox provides double the security with its combination locks. If you're looking to safeguard sensitive documents like tax returns or passports, and need the convenience of portability for travel or different locations, this is your go-to option. It's perfect for those who prioritize security and mobility. What people say. The wheels and telescoping handle were a big part of why I chose this one. My work insisted on the locks. It comes with a cushioned laptop sleeve and has 2 built-in dividers to help organize the spacious interior. I liked it being on wheels so I could transport it easily. The lid closes tightly and it's waterproof. Number 3. Oceanstar Portable 2-tier Metal Rolling File Cart. Navigate your workspace with ease. This cart features 4 smooth rolling casters, 2 of which lock securely in place, ensuring stable positioning when needed. Keep your documents neatly arranged. It comes with 2 hanging dividers to help you categorize your files effectively. More than just a file holder, its sturdy bottom shelf provides ample space for office supplies or other essentials. Adapt the interior to your specific requirements. The adjustable shelves allow you to customize the height to perfectly fit your files and storage needs. Whether you use letter or legal size folders, this cart accommodates them all, offering a flexible solution for any filing system. What we like? This cart maximizes vertical space with its 2-tier design and adjustable shelves. If you need a flexible storage solution that can adapt to various file and supply needs, this metal cart is a practical choice. It's well suited for those who require adaptable organization in a compact footprint. What people say. The instructions were very easy to read and understand. I built this filing cart for her in less than 15 minutes by myself. It's nice and sturdy. This cart holds a lot of files, more than you would think it does. The cart has wheels that easily roll but has locks on 2 wheels to keep the cart from moving. The cart also comes with 2 metal bars that slide on the rails to allow for hanging folders in different sizes or configurations such as letter or legal sizes. It is lightweight when empty, making it easy to maneuver yet sturdy enough that it won't tip over unless it is knocked over. Each level holds at least 100 empty letter-sized hanging file folders. Number 2. Best Choice Products Handwoven Water Hyacinth Rolling Filing Cabinet. Introducing a stylish and practical solution for your home or office. This organizer is designed to keep your important documents neatly stored and easily accessible. It features dedicated space with metal railings, making it simple to organize all your files, letters, and memos. Keep everything in its place effortlessly. Enjoy the flexibility of movement with its included locking wheels. You can easily move it around and secure it in place whenever needed. A tasteful faux leather strap not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides extra security. Keep your contents safe and out of reach. Crafted with a durable steel frame and tightly woven water hyacinth, this piece is built to last. It can support up to 27 pounds of your essentials. Beyond just files, this compact organizer is perfect for storing a variety of items. Use it for hand towels, children's toys, or anything else you need to keep tidy. What we like. Add a touch of natural charm to your workspace with this unique organizer. If you appreciate natural materials and a stylish design, and want the option to easily move it around your home or office, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for those who seek both aesthetic appeal and practical file storage. What people say. The product comes with the wheels and instructions on the easy application and the tools necessary to put them on. They hold my hanging files easily and the metal frame for the files are very secure. It is very sturdy and nice looking. The wheels didn't fall off as they were screwed in. These files are versatile as they can be stationary or used with wheels for the rolling feature. 2 of the wheels have locks on them to prevent the file from unwanted runaways. The wheels were super easy to install, and the locking wheels are easy to lock-unlock. The nifty wrench tool that comes with the rolling feet made removing the rubber tips a lot easier than trying to get the tips off by hand. Number 1. WDT 990 pounds heavy-duty rolling utility cart. This cart is built to last, constructed from industrial-strength metal. It can effortlessly support up to 990 pounds, making it perfect for your heaviest tasks. Navigate your space with ease thanks to 4 silent casters, ensuring smooth and quiet transport. 2 locking wheels provide extra stability when you need it to stay put. It features a comfortable handle, a ventilated basket, and adjustable shelves to customize your storage. Plus, included hooks offer even more organizational possibilities. This versatile cart is ideal for a wide range of environments. Use it in kitchens, offices, restaurants, garages, and more to organize and move your items. Setting it up is a breeze, taking only about 15 minutes with no tools required. We stand by its quality and are here to help with any questions you may have. The anti-rust chrome-plated finish not only looks great but also ensures durability and simple cleaning. It's designed to withstand daily use and maintain its appearance. What we like. When you need to move substantial loads, this heavy-duty utility cart is the answer. If your priority is robust construction and a high weight capacity for demanding tasks in kitchens, garages, or warehouses, this cart is built to perform. It's the ideal solution for industrial or heavy-use environments. What people say. Easy to put together, roomy, easy to wheel around, good design, holds a lot of materials. Very sturdy, does not wobble. Built with a sturdy metal frame, it offers an impressive 990 pounds weight capacity, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The cart features smooth rolling wheels that provide excellent mobility, even when fully loaded, and the handlebar ensures easy maneuverability. A very well-built, sturdy serving cart. The size is perfect for household use. The 4-inch wheels roll easily, even over plush carpet. Assembly should take less than 30 minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.